Hi, welcome back to Beach Bumbling. Today we're in Rincon de Guayabitos. If you don't know where that is, it's about an hour north of Puerto Vallarta. The name of this beach is called Playa de Rincon de Guayabitos. Go figure, no surprises there. Tag along with us as we go for a walk here. It's about a 2-kilometer beach, about a mile and a quarter for our American friends. So we'll show you what we saw. It's a nice beach, got a beautiful day for it. Pack on the sunblock, throw on some shades, and let's go. We're going to start this beach walk from En Ramada Alicia's. It's a restaurant, and we went there for happy hour in the last video. We'll link it in the video description if you haven't seen it. And we walked down to the Torre Blanca Suites. That's not even half the beach. If you see the blue arrow there, that's the end of the beach. So it's about 2 kilometers long. So we only walked a little less than half of it. And that took about 18 minutes. It's a big place, eh? Party boat. Is that what that is? Where do they go? Yeah, do they do sunsets?
Imagine they do.
We went on the jungle tour and it was real good time. We could just kind of see a little swamp and there's like alligators.
Yeah. Mango on a stick. so not pushy.
What?
These people are so not pushy.
No.
These vendors, it's like polar opposite of Puerto Vallarta.
Well, they'll come up to you.
Yeah. Yeah, Puerto Vallarta is very pretty. Yeah, looks like a Pedro.
Yeah.
Al and I each tell a really bad joke in this video. Let us know in the comments which one was worse, mine or his. You're definitely used to people, eh?
What song did these guys sing? Around.
Oh! I thought he was going to attack the other guy. Guy buys his boat motor at the Gap. They're all ready. I know.
Alex, go get on with
I'm
your
getting on.
tail.
I'm out there, I'll push them all up. I'm the king of that hill.
Alex first showed up the back. And then
Until you fall off and you beg all the children to come save you.
I would have stole the water wings off the little guy already.
There's no shortage of banana boats. That's the second one. There's another one up here.
yeah, I know. Everything else was drunk.
Or ceviche. There's ceviche every 5 feet.
Yeah.
If you like ceviche, it's like every 5 to 10 feet, that seems like on this beach.
I'm not sitting behind Alex.
Well then, that degraded quickly. Let's move on. This lady was selling jicama from her cart on the beach. If you want to know more about that, check out her last video. Karen actually bought one from her.
Boogie board waves.
Really different if you're further down the left. It's not as much wave, right? Like there's no waves where those boats are.
That would be fun playing boogie board.
It is. I like the texture, like the snap. Yeah. Coco Frio? Yeah, my choke slammed me in it. Fun fact for the day, in Mexico a red flag means grab your children and take them swimming. Oh wow, it's pretty rough, right?
It's gotten a lot browner looking, eh?
Looking left though, where the boats were before.
Kim said the red flag was.
Hmm?
Kim said the red flag wasn't here before.
It's still where we were eating though, drinking, there's still, the waves are nothing. Like that,
Yeah.
but
Mom was here a couple weeks ago and she said they were here for 2 weeks and she said the red flag was out the other day.
oh yeah? It's kind of windy though right now,
Yeah.
right?
Well, so Mom said it was, and it got really chilly at night.
Oh?
The only time I noticed it was last night. I wasn't really paying attention.
Yeah. This one,
And most of the people are long.
yeah. Hot dog.
doggo.
This is getting hot. You want any more?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just take it. Little thing.
This is a nice beach. It's got powdery sand at the top, easy to walk on where it's wet. Water's not too rough. If you're looking at the water, go to the left. There's less waves on that side, but all in all, a pretty good day here. Next week, we're going to take you to the nearby town of Barcos. We'll show you what the beach looked like. We'll walk through town and grab a bite to eat. Keep in mind, we only walked about half the beach today. Super nice beach. If you liked this video, throw it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when we make another video.
Lots of beach. Oh yeah. It is the Torre Blanca.
And that's the end of the video. Hurry up, pick one of those two. Doesn't matter which one. Time's running out. Hurry up, pick it.